Hello everyone. This video is about civil 3D site grading residential land development. And under this, we are covering all these points: plan and profiles, alignments, profile creations, assemblies, corridor surface, corridor at Knuckle, and at Cul De Sac. So let's begin in civil 3D. We have one here basic site plan, and site plan includes lot lines, road, ROW, and one detention pond, and there is one more detention pond and one park area. So, uh, before proceeding, we can see this on Google Map as well. This is the site location. This site location is selected randomly for educational purpose and for training purpose and practice purpose. So, if we switch this area, so we can see this is the main road, and this is site, and there is one creek over here and one existing pond. So this aerial is traced, and we can see here one creek is going in this direction, and one pond is existing pond and you proposed pond. So we can change this to existing. So we can change this color to some dull color. This is one existing pond existing present in the site. So we are changing this to one new pond. So to proceed for site grading or site development, we need to first create alignments. So we have already done some of the alignments for the roads. We can see there is one, two, and three. So we have considered this one main road, this second road, and third road. This is a main existing uh, road 55. So we can see in the Google map. This is the main road. Now we can switch to civility and start creating alignments. For now, we can off this existing contours. So we can create alignment from object. This will be first our alignment, and direction will, this is okay. If we need in the reverse direction, we can change this reverse, but now it is okay. We'll name this as road A, and we right now we don't need any curve, and we do not need to erase existing on entity. The one alignment is created, then again next alignment. Okay. The direction is showing in the down direction, we need in the upward direction, we can change this reverse. This will be road B. Right now we do no need of any labels, so we are not using any labels right now. Okay, then next will be this one in this direction. Okay, this will be road C. Our alignments are already created, so we can go to create profiles. So we have already created some like tables and added one text, so we can add our profiles over here. So let's start. Create surface profile. First will be road A. We need to add existing. Add. Create profile. We are not changing any default settings. We are using same as it is. Next profile for road B. Next will be road C. Okay. Now existing profile is drawn. We need to draw a proposed FG. So for that we need to go to profile creation tool. On which profile we need to create, we need to select that profile. First we will add for road A, then we will rename this as road A FG. We can select here one straight line or a straight line with tangents. Draw tangent with curves. So we can add tangents. Next point. Yes. We can edit this as well afterwards if we need to change any other design criteria for road surface. So now it is okay for initial stage. So after that we can uh, rechange or edit design criteria for this proposed surface for road A. Next will be road B. Again tangent with curves. For road C, our profiles are created. So we can add now assemblies. We can open tool space. We have lots of option for assemblies or other basic we can create as well. But now we are using this primary, and there is one more we call basic. We can rename this as well, basic assembly dash. We can change the width. So road width is total. Then we are copying this one for left and right. One, two. We can rename this basic assembly left, and erase this one for. We need to use basic assembly or primary assembly from these tool palettes. If you use some other assembly, sometimes it may not work to tie up in the corridor. So it is better to use basic assembly or primary road full section. So we can target these assemblies with the road center lines with alignment on road surfaces. We can reunite this. Yes, right. Basic. Now we don't need to delete the surface and delete. Our road width is 26, so half road width is 13. Yes. So we can change this width 12 to 10.5. Now, okay, road width should be 11.5. The road width was changed at 11.5 for we can check as well in the drawing from center to edge of the road is 13. But when in the corridor, when you draw offset of 13 feet both way, it will coincide with curved width is 1.5. So we are deducted 1.5 from these both lengths, left and right. There is one more assembly we needed in a location called Nuckle and Cul De Sac. So we have already added one line here, so we can convert this line into alignment. So next step is we can add corridor for road approach. This image we can make it off. Our alignments are done and profiles as well done and next assemblies as well. So now we can create corridors. First will be road A. We are giving same name for road A and road B. The alignment is road A. Then profile will be road AFG and assembly will be basic assembly 1 and target surface will be 1. We are not targeting yet, but we can select this one. Set baselines and parameters. These are needed after when we add knuckles and cul-de-sac and intersections. Okay, apply. Okay, we can see corridor is built. Similarly, we can add for road A and for road B. We can rename the road BFG. It is CFG. Or this one is also created. So one more alignment corridor from road C. Road CFG and basic assembly EG surface baselines. Apply. Okay. Now our basic corridor is built. So we can use this to create a new surface, FB surface, and we can extract future lines from corridors to create a surface, final surface or proposed surface. So we are going to future lines, create future lines from corridor. This is the end of the sidewalk. So we are selecting this one as future line. It will extract. Okay. When we extract future line from the corridor, it show auto corridor feature line. So this line may not be added to the surface as a background. So we need to explore this. Before proceeding, we need to create one more thing. We need to create surface for road A, corridor surface from road A. We are creating surface for road A corridor surface. Surface. Then we can add top. And we can go to boundaries and we can extend boundaries. Okay. We can see here surface is created. We can see in the object viewer as well. Road width, curve, sidewalk, created. Okay, fine. So now we can go to 3D. We'll delete this one. Okay. Now we are extracting a future line from corridor outer side of the edge. So this line will be at outer side edge. If we go here, the future line will be extracted at this location. We see cross section of the road. We will extract both sides to extract future lines from the corridor. So future line extract future line, create future line from the corridor. So we are selecting this edge, extract. It will show sidewalk out left. Okay. Then we will extract one more on the other side of the corridor. It will show right. Now these future lines are auto future line. So we can explore this. When we explore these lines, it will convert to 3D polyline. So again, we need to convert to future line from object. We can create new site. Site 1, file, okay. Assign elevation, yes, we need to assign elevation to this exterior lines, and it will be from road A surface. Okay, our future lines are created. Now we can make this as a grading surface. So we need to go to grading creation tool. We need to create grading group. It is site 1 and grading group will be site 1. And we need to create surface as well. So we need to click on this automatic surface creation, and yes, volume based surface also needed. So we need to on this one as well. Okay. So site 1 create surface. Okay, fine. Okay. And target surface will be EG right now. Okay. Now we are creating surface to this future line tool in this direction. So for that we need grading to distance and create grading. Select future line and select side of the grading. So this side or that side. This will be the grading side. Okay. Entire length, yes, and distance will be up to this line. And this is asking grade or slope. So we are adding now slope. Slope will be upward 3%. We can see here the grading surface is already created, and we can see this one in object viewer. Okay, 3% soap is too much, so we can change that one. There is one more thing option we can do. We can offset this future line again, stepped offset, and make elevation difference. Length is 55. Point two, 31. Create future line. Create from stepped offset. We need to create stepped future line from this point to this point, so there will be a slope. How much slope we need to add, we can calculate, and we can add that much of difference in the stepped offset future line. Calculator. If we add 3% into 158.45, there will be 5 feet of difference. 4.75 for 3% slope. So we can add that much elevation difference in the stepped offset. Future line side elevation difference will be 4.75. Now we have two future lines. We can close this future line and create surface. So for that we can add polyline and create surface. Sorry. We can freeze corridor right now because it is, if it is on, it will be hacked too many times. Okay, we are creating again future line from object polyline site one. Okay, we need to rename this one. There are two sites, so there is one more future line. Yes, yes. Now we can create grade infill. It is, if the polylines are not closed, then it will not work. To create site gradings, we need to create future lines, and we can extract future lines from corridor. So we are selecting create future line from corridor. This one, okay. extract. Okay. And this future line is auto corridor future line. So we can convert this future line by exploding. After exploding auto future line, it will be 3D polyline. So we are again converting auto future line, auto 3D polyline into future line. Create future line from object 3D polyline. Enter. Before proceeding, we need to again create some sites. We are deleting this one. Okay. Site need create new. Before proceeding, we need to create new site. New. This will be site grading. Okay. Now we can extract future line from corridor. Create future line from object. When we when you over our cursor over the corridor, it will not show. We need to click. When we click, it will show. Now we are. It is showing now. When we one click, these lines will be extracted. Center line of the road, sidewalk edge, and curve edge. So now we are selecting this one highlighted. We need to click on the one. When we click, then we need to press enter. Then it will pop up this one left side extract. Okay. Now this line when we extract this will be auto corridor future line. Again we need to explore this one. When we export that auto future line, it will be converted to 3D polyline. So again we need to add 3D polyline to convert future line. Now we can use this site grading. Style okay, assign elevation okay, elevation and elevation from road surface. Okay. Now the future line is created. Now we can offset this future line to outside of the lot, outer boundary of the lot lines or boundary line. So from this future line to outside of the edge is distance 158.45. So we can calculate the slope. If we add 3% slope, 0.3 into 158.45, 158.45. The difference will be 4.75 upward for 3% slope. So we can add it to this future line when we offset. Now we can create future line from step to offset from this same line. So it is asking now create future line from step to offset. Now it is asking specify the distance. So from this future line to outside of the edge, this is the distance and this is the future line and this is the side of the side which we need to offset this future line and the elevation difference is 4.75 for 3% slope. 4.75. Now the future line is added. One is at the corridor at the edge of the sidewalk and one future line is at the boundary. So we can close this one. For that we need to create one closed loop. So for that we are adding another future line by creating polylines from this place to this place, from this place to this place. We can add these future lines. One, two. and we need to use the same grading site and elevation from the road surface. Okay, now we can create grading creation tool. Then we need to change this group to site grading, and we can create group name site grading. Yeah, this should be on and this should be on. Okay, site grading. Okay, and surface, we can change surfaces from this place, but now each is okay. Now create infill, because this is closed line, so we can just simply click. This is closed future line, so we can, yeah, close between closed future lines. Enter. Now we can see the grading surface is created, so we can change this to design. Okay, and we can see in the object viewer as well the created future line. Okay, we can see here there is something issues in here. Okay, now okay, so we have created one surface. Similarly, we can create another future line from this corridor to another side of opposite side of the corridor. Create future line from the corridor. Okay, extract. Side grading annihilation. Okay, surface. Okay, now we can close this loop from this surface and these lines. So we need to just draw polylines from this extracted polyline. Should be the base points for the new future lines. Okay, now we can create this future line from object. Select. Okay, side grading same side. Okay, when we click in the center, we need to again press enter. Now our surface is generated. The sudden drop is due to a low point in the corridor. So we can fix this at the end when we add again future lines. So now we can create new FG surface from this one grading surface, side grading, and one from corridor surface. We need to go to surfaces, create surface, and new surface will be FG. This style and render is okay. When we create FG, we need to go definitions, edits, and paste surface. First surface will be easy. We are not using right now easy. We are using one road surface and one side grading. Side grading surface, we can make it no display. Select Nuckle. Then one more is surface there is on, that is road corridor surface. Select no display. Now there is only one surface on display, that is FG, which one we have created. We can go to object viewer and see. Now we can see one basic surface for final ground is created. So again we need to again change lots of things. We can add new surface from road B and road C, and we can add knuckles and Cul De Sac. Now we can add Cul De Sacs, knuckles. We are extending the lines. We need to create alignments for these lines, and we need to create profiles as well. So this will be first knuckle alignment, and the direction is more important. The direction should be the same as the road corridor directions. So it is in this direction. So it is showing opposite direction. We can make it reverse. Press R and reverse. And alignment. Name will be Nuckle 1. No labels. Okay. Next alignment. Direction should be reverse. R enter. Okay. And this should be Nuckle 2. Add cover erase existing quantity should be off. Next should be this one. Create alignment from object. Direction is okay. Now we need to create surfaces for this knuckle and Cul De Sac. So we can go to profiles, create surface profiles. First will be knuckle 1 and surfaces will be EG, and next will be road surface draw. We can see this FG surface is, so we can tie in here our new surface. For that profile creation to using straight tangent line. Similarly for this one as well, create profile creation. So we can tie ends of these lines. Now we are to split our corridor. We can make this empty surface off, and we need to split region in this knuckle area as well. This corridor we can drag down to back. Now corridor properties. Select corridor. Corridor properties. Add baseline. We can select by using this, and we can select profile as well, knuckle one. After adding baseline, we need to add region. Add region, and assembly would be knuckle left. Apply. And we need to set start and end station. Assemblies got misplaced. We don't have assembly for that purpose noted, so we need to create one. Okay, now this. Okay, now left corridor knuckle is added, so we can edit targets. Before editing targets, we need to add right as well. One left corridor is added, so we need to add in this region as well. So for that, we need to go to corridor properties. Then we need to select this one. After this one, we need to add one more region. Right click, add region, insert region after. And assembly will be basic right. Okay, added. So we can see here one more region is added. Now we can again go to properties and we need to set some frequencies for this knuckle. We can see here the segments are multi segments are added for group. And we need to add target as well at the center line of the road. We have some issues here, so we need to fix that one. Something wrong with the. Now it is added, so it is not. It is not been added length to the assembly. Yes, we can edit targets now. First will be road A. Yes, it is built. Next, we can add again. Need to add surface as well. For this will be. We'll check one more time. Yes, we can see the corridor is built. Again, we need to go to add one region after assembly basic, right? Apply. Okay. And we need to add one baseline and K and surface will be Knuckle to FG, add region. Assembly will be Knuckle left one is created. We can edit targets. Okay. We need to edit frequency to 5. We are reducing all increment curves so that it will be even shape. Now we are adding one more baseline here and corridor region as well. So for adding baseline, we need to add base. Select Cul De Sac. Okay, and add region. Assembly will be same we are using, and FG service vehicle and final surface road. We should click here. Okay, as we can see, the corridor is built. Now we can set frequencies and targets. We can see some issues, so we can fix that one as well. We need to go to again edit targets and need to select this one, side one. we are changing this one because it is like sharp edge, so we need to add curve over here. So we're adding one more baseline and adding region. So to that one, we are adding again alignments. Direction is okay. Local one, dash one. We do not need any curves, and then again one more. Right, direction should be reverse, so we need to click on reverse. This should be 2 dash 2. Again, we need to create profiles for this one. Again, we need to create assemblies. or assemblies created. So we can add assemblies. First, we need to remove this one. Then we need to add baseline, knuckle one. After adding baseline, we need to add region. Assembly will be knuckle right P. Okay, added. So now we can see here is curve. Previously it was like a straight 90-degree corner. If we go to object viewer, it's not showing right now. It is not showing right now. We can check it later after creating surface. We need to frequencies to 5. Now we can see the corridor is built. Now we can see the corridor is built. Similarly, we need to add it here also. We need to remove this region and need to add baseline. Baseline will be knuckle 2 and region. Assembly should be knuckle right P. Yes, and we can edit frequencies. And targets. We can see surface is created, but there is one more extra assembly there. We can remove that one. We can remove this one later. So again, we can add another intersections. To add intersection, we need to split this region.